Hi grades 3, today is Friday and we are looking at exercise 48 in your workbooks. It's 2 pages, page 136 and page 137. Okay, so today we are looking at the area of a square or the area of a solid figure. So remember yesterday we looked at how do we look at area. Okay, so yesterday we did this exercise where we counted our squares and we wrote down the area as an area is how much space a solid figure or something is taking, right? So today we are looking at something similar, and the question is, what is the area of each of the following figures? Okay, so just like our previous exercise, you're going to go ahead and you are going to count the squares, and that is going to give you your area. Okay, and usually later on we will learn that we find area by multiplying our length and our width. But for now, you're going to focus on just knowing that area is space something is taking. Okay, so area is space, and also it is each square is 1 centimeter. Okay, so on each side. So for now, I want you to go ahead and you're going to count each square to see how much space or what is the area of each of these shapes and figures. Now, you also need to remember, because this is not a full square, it's half a square, right? So the gray part is only half. So you're going to do half and half. That will give you 1, right? So we'll do 1. The top 2 will be half and half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and both of these half here and half here. 10, half here and half here. 11. So that means figure B is 11 centimeter square. Okay, so you just need to watch out for the half squares, because 2 halves will give you 1 square, right? So make sure you do that. And then at the bottom, they're asking you figure blank and figure blank have the same area square. So which 2 figures would have the same area square? Okay, so that's what you need to do. For this page, you're going to count each square and see how much space they're taking or what is their area. Now on our second page, you have to do 2 things. You are going to do the same thing. You're going to first of all count the spaces, or count how much space is, or how many squares are there, and what is the space or what is the area of each of these figures. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to count them just like we normally do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 centimeter square. Now your next task is over on this side. You are going to draw another figure that has 9 squares. Okay, so you're going to draw here. So you can either draw the same shape or you can draw a different shape, but it should have how many squares? Only 9, because this shape has 9 squares. So should the one that you draw over here, that you would draw over here. Similarly, remember to count your squares properly. If it's half a square and then the other half, that would give you 1 square. So 2 halves would give you 1. Okay, and same over here. So 2 tasks on this page. You're going to count the number of spaces or the number of squares each figure is taking, and then you're going to draw a similar figure or similar area. So a figure that has similar area. Okay, so for example, this space, this is taking 9 centimeter squares. That means you can draw a figure that is no more than 9, right? It has to be 9. It cannot be less than 9. Okay, so that is our exercise for today. And I hope to see you soon. And I wish you all the very best.